guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look with my Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. So I did like an icy blue smoky look and I paired it with a pink lip. So if you would like to see how I did this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so we are playing with the Morphe Blue 42. Blue 42. Nah, just playing. So we're playing with the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. I'm taking my fluffy blending Sigma brush and I'm dipping in the color Bear and I'm working that on the transition. And next I'm going in with a Morphe brush and I'm taking the color Sculpt and I'm working that deeper into the crease. So now with another Morphe brush, I'm taking the color Indigo and I'm packing that on the inner and the outer corner. So we're doing like a halo eye or like a spotlight smoky eye. And there is a lot of blending with this look, so be prepared. And I do go back and forth a couple of times just building up the intensity of the color Indigo. So next I'm looking for a clean fluffy brush. This is by I think Glamour Dolls, and what I'm doing is just blending out that blue color and then working that across the top crease area. And we're going to try and leave the center of the lid blank. We are going to put some concealer there, so if it gets a little messy, don't worry about it. We will go ahead and clean it up with concealer. And I'm going back in with the color Bear with the first blending brush, just blending out that blue color, just making it nice and smooth, transition into the crease color. So next I'm going in with a concealer brush, a synthetic concealer brush, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And I'm just doing like a little spotlight smoky eye in the middle. And I'm going to be patting that in with the same brush. And right here I'm just patting out the edges. And next I'm going in with another Sigma brush and I'm taking the color Tailor from the Morphe palette. And I did wet my brush with some facial spray just so it shows up a little more intense on the eye. But that's the color that we're using on top of that concealer. And I'm just packing that color on. So I'm going back in with the Morphe brush that we used with the color Indigo, and I'm just packing, not packing the color on, just blending out the lines. So here I'm taking the color, I think, Sculpt on a pencil brush by Sigma, just smoking out the lower lash line and then taking a fluffy brush to blend that out. And I'm taking the color Indigo with the same pencil brush and just working that over the brown shade that we added in the previous clip. And you can smoke out the lower lash line as much as you want to. So here I'm adding some lower lash mascara. I'm using my MAC Extra Dimension. And I'm going to highlight the inner corner with a single shadow that I got from Sephora. I will leave the name down below in the description bar. So I'm using that to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. So next I'm setting my under eyes with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder with just a fluffy brush. And then I'm setting the rest of my face with my Maybelline powder.
Do you edit that stuff out when you drink it? Mm-hmm.
So next I'm taking an angled brush and I'm using my bronzer by the Glamour Dolls. It's the one in the Lisa Frank package. And I am just contouring my cheeks and then adding that bronzer to my forehead and on my jawline. And here I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm bronzing up the skin. Next, I'm taking a blush. I don't know the name of it. I will definitely leave it down in the description box below. but I'm taking a different angled fluffy brush and applying the blush to my face. So next is highlight. So I'm taking my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I'm applying that with a highlighter brush that I got in my Ipsy bag. And just applying that on my nose and on my forehead as well. And also on the Cupid's bow. So next I'm lining my lips with a nudie pink lip liner by Pierre. And then I'm using a lipstick from MiraBella, and I'll leave the name down below in the description box. And on top of that, I'm adding a NYX Butter Gloss. So that is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this icy blue makeup tutorial with the Morphe Dare to Create palette. So if you liked it, give it a big old thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, red button down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.